Yo, right there at the tree. Yeah. Oh man, I'm sorry. What?
Did you just sneeze on me?
Yeah, I got like a bacteria disease. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry, I really didn't mean to. I didn't mean to do it, I promise. Okay? Okay? Oh man, sorry, I just have like the flu. It's really bad. Are you okay? You have a tissue for me?
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I get it on you?
It's fine.
No, I got the flu. You smell the same? I'm sorry, I was just smelling the flowers and it like pollen in it.
For sure.
The pollen in it like really made me sneeze. Are you guys good?
Yeah.
I didn't get anything on you, did I?
No, you're good.
All right, you sure?
Yeah.
All right, cool, Jesus.
Do they smell good?
They're all right. I mean, I don't know, I can't really. You okay?
Yeah. Oh, do you see this bug?
Does that smell good?
Yeah. All over me, actually. Like, actually,
I sneezed over you?
yeah. Pretty powerful stuff.
Do you have a tissue I can use maybe so it doesn't happen again? Oh my God, I'm so sorry about that. It's just like this like infectious disease.
Pollen.
What's this infectious disease that I just got from this doctor? He said I got like 2 days.
Yeah, I felt
I'm sorry about that. Is it like bad? I hope it's not too much to ask. Mind if I get a Red Bull?
Yeah.
It usually makes me feel better like when I get all sick and stuff like that, you know what I mean? Yeah, you get like real sick. I didn't get anything on you, did I?
No, you're good.
All right, cool. I'm not trying to like spread the flu or nothing like that, you know what I mean? It's flu season, you gotta watch out.
Yeah.
You know, you gotta watch out for everybody out here, you know? All right, well, hey, thank you again for the Red Bull.
Yeah.
You're like actually awesome, but yeah.
Good one.
Hold on. Oh God.
No.
Oh God.
Oh, no.
Oh. Oh. Yo, these two. Phew. Oh man. Oh, I think I got sick. I had the flu or something. I'm sorry. You okay? I really didn't mean to. It's just. Oh man. What? What? You okay? No? All right. See y'all later. Oh. I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
Are you fine?
Yeah, I'm totally good.
I just have like this really like bad bacteria disease that I just found out from the doctor. You okay?
Yeah.
You sure? I didn't get anything on you, did I?
No, you're good.
It's just water anyway. It's just water.
Okay.
I'm just messing with you. I was just trying to. Oh man. Oh, I got like the flu or something. Huh?
I saw the water.